Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads certified advertising professional. In this video, I am here again with an interesting topic. And before I want to speak, I want you guys to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I release a new video, you can watch it. So today, I have an interesting case study, and that is regarding Google Ads account suspended right after opening. It happens, there are many cases. Primarily it happens with those people who already have a suspended account, which I do not feel is a good practice to do, or people who have a suspicious payment error where Google understood that this billing profile has been used with another account knowingly or unknowingly. Another scenario is where there is a common IP address, where from a common IP address there are multiple Google Ads account also with different billing profiles, but with a different, but with the same IP address. You know that majority of the people do not have a dedicated IP address to use internet, and which is why they are shared. And sometimes knowingly or unknowingly Google system can detect this. Although Google system has got advanced over the years, but still there is a chance of a possibility that such scenario can happen. There can be another reason, such as in case if you have a circumventing system error account suspended in one of your account. In case if you are running multiple accounts, even that can be a reason that your account got suspended right after opening. If you used a virtual card, that can be another scenario. For some debit cards, this has been an issue as well. You keep in mind there is a difference between a debit card and a credit card, so that can be another issue. So right now the case study is regarding one of our clients account which got suspended right after opening. And the client was very angry, and he was like, I want to run my campaign, and guys, what you did. So we told and explained to him that we didn't done it. It is Google who did it, but because we are the Google partners, so we have to share the responsibility for such things, because they are directly dealing with Google through us. So, which is why were also very genuinely concerned for that account. So, if you ask me regarding the time it took, so it took us around 2 to 3 weeks to get the account restored, unsuspended, up and running. The client was in the financial niche and was targeting Middle Eastern countries. In case if you ask me which countries they were targeting, financial niche is also very tough niche, where there is a chance that if an account get unsuspended, it can get suspended other way for another reason, or while staying unsuspended, while staying suspended, it can get other suspension errors as well, such as your account does not comply with the Google Ads terms and conditions, circumventing system, counterfeit, or any other issue, because financial niche or health is a very tough niche to work on Google Ads. So we are glad that we were able to get the account back. Now let me show you the account dashboard, and then we're going to discuss further. So here we are in the dashboard of that account, and you can see that the account got running again. We started running ads, we started spending money. You can see over here notification that your account has been unsuspended, your account has been deactivated and is able to run ads again. You might need to update your billing information before your ads can run again. So even the account has not done yet the advertiser verification, which people many feel that is essential part of getting the account restored. No, that is not the essential part, but yeah, that helps to make the process quicker and easier. Yet there can be other reasons, which is why the account can get suspended. So you can see that let's say if I'm going to show you some keywords, so like this one is an investment, that is another language, so you guys have an idea that it's still running. As long as you are not violating anything, you can still run. And so let me see for you can see that this month we started advertising back again, and we are able to successfully run. It was previously the last month when we did some impressions, and then the account got suspended, so which is why that is a cause of concern. for people. So luckily now they can see that the account is back up and running and can, so there was around few days, which the time with which ads were not running. And let me tell you that the account, it's not like the 31st of month that the account got some impression that then it got suspended. No, it was suspended immediately after creating the ads and adding the billing profile. So that was a reason. Uh, we didn't got any impressions, and then the account got sudden uh, Google Ads suspension. Now, if you ask me regarding, let me show you again, the account is suspended. Now, if you ask me on what can be the issue regarding the account suspension, so there was not an issue. It was an automatic, systematic by Google team, Google algorithm, Google system. So yeah, it took us 2 weeks to get it restored. Some cases can quicker, some cases can take more time. So I cannot give you an exact time frame for any case. Now, most of the time when people are coming and asking me that I have already waited 5 months and I cannot wait more, like you guys waited 5 months and you are not giving me 2 weeks to. I mean, please give us time as well. We may need time as well to get it up and running. So focus on that aspect as well. And yeah, in case if you want our services regarding Google Ads, Facebook Ads, SEO services, web development services, the details are in the description of this video on how you can reach us. So I hope you like this case study where I discussed regarding a Google Ads account suspended right after opening. And lastly, I want you guys to make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss a video like this. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.